everybody, and welcome to my channel AH series. If you haven't seen my previous 5 videos on Scratch and understand how to use the blocks, then congratulate yourself. You've learned the basics of Scratch programming. Believe me, you are not far away from making your own fun-filled coding game. Then, now onward, I will be teaching you and making your imagination come true by using Scratch. You can make your own amazing game. Today we'll be learning one thing and special feature, Sprite and spin the sprites. I'll show you how to get different sprites and make them spin in all directions. This is something you might want to know. So there's one tab right here. So this is the home page. Right here, this circle, it says About Scratch. Click on it and you'll know all about Scratch. There's a video too. And for parents. So, like me, I'm teaching myself how to use Scratch. So there's one right here which says how it works, and that. And another video. Go back. And for educators. So educators means teachers and stuff like that. So another video and how to use it, resources, connect, use, and teacher accounts. So you can even switch accounts. So all that stuff. And back to the home page. So let's get to it. So let me just sign myself in. Sign in. Yay! Now we're at the proper home page. Okay, so let's go to create. We're gonna create a fun game. Okay, first let me show you how to choose a sprite. So you can choose a sprite by clicking on the magnifying glass. There you go. You can even categorize what sort of sprite you want. So animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, yum, fashion, and even letters. Look how many types of letters there are. Okay, guess what? You can even search them. So let's say I want a dinosaur. So, whoa, look how many dinosaurs there are. You can choose any of them. Okay, what should I choose? What would I like? I think I'm gonna go to animals. And I think, this is tough. They have so many good things. I don't know. I'll take a dragon. Whee! A dragon! Now, since you have a dragon, you don't want to delete this, but you just want to delete this. You don't want to delete all your sprites, but just this one. So click on it, and you see the garbage bin with the X sign on it. Click on it, and your character is deleted. Okay, now, guess what? You can make your sprite show and not show by using the eyes or whatever they are. It says show right beside, like that. Cool, right? If you want to change the name of your sprite, just go here. So what if I want to name it Bob? That's a good name. What about Jeff? Jeff. Good. Now as you can see, his name has changed. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Yeah, no, let's keep it that way. Okay. Now, you can even paint your own sprite. So all I did was go here and choose a paintbrush. Okay, so look, it says costume 1. So these are the things you can do. You can draw with your mouse, like this, just by adding boxes. You can see, you can make a frame of where you want to draw your picture. So, and about that big, or do you want it this big? You can decide. Okay, I want it to be the whole screen. So, whole screen. Yeah, that's good. Now, let's paint. What color should I choose? I want to choose red. Then you can even choose a brightness of things. Okay, now let's draw. What can I draw? Let me draw something the dragon won't want to eat. Let's see. How about a T-bone steak? Now, change the color. I don't know. How about a little bit? Stop. Somewhere this color. So, T. Good. Not my best. And there you go. Sprite. Then you can change it to that. I bet that's something a dragon might want to eat. Sounds delicious. Okay, so paint, and I want to fill it up with red. Fill. Good. Yay. No, isn't that good? And I think the dragon would want something way bigger than something that small. So let's make it. Yay! It's got it bigger than a dragon. The dragon has a lot to eat now. What if he's a baby dragon? He could be just needing 50. Change size? Mini! I think I'm gonna choose somewhere around 80. Good. Okay, now just say I didn't like anything. Just erase. I don't want to erase this, so I think I'm going to keep it this way. And you can even add shapes. So, I don't know. I'm going to make another sprite. So, I'm going to go here, paintbrush, another sprite. So I can make big red circle. Put a rectangle on the inside. And I want to fill that up with blue. And fill. Yay! Look at it. It's awesome, right? Okay, I'm going to make it 30. How small will that be? Whoa, that's small. Okay. Now, Scratch is cool. Now, I think I want to add plus sign on the inside. This and like this. There you go. Just click on this. No, I didn't want that. So just click on this and undo. Undo everything. And delete. Okay. Now, you can even make it do a surprise. So go here. Surprise! Whoa! It showed a basketball player. If you don't know what sprite to choose, just click on surprise and it will give you a surprise for sure. So you didn't like it. And surprise again. Surprise! Whoa, a scuba diver. I like that. I think I'm gonna keep it this. Or no, I changed my mind. I want something else. No, I like the scuba diver better. So let's keep this. Now, let's just stick with the dragon. Okay. Now, you can make it spin. Isn't that amazing? It's really simple. Go to events, take out when green flag clicked. Then you can choose a repeat or forever block. I think I'm going to choose repeat. So I wanted to repeat 20 times. Control and sensing, I mean. So go to touching. So bring out this and go to control and bring out the if blank then. So if touching mouse pointer, then repeat 20 times and turn 15 degrees. Go here and okay, so it looks like the repeat won't work as well as the forever. If I clicked, come on. Oh, I see what's going on. Put the forever outside the if. Oops, I made a mistake. Now let's see if it'll work. Yay, it's working! So, yeah, it seems like I made the mistake. Now, let's try repeat 20 times. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, this does not seem to work. Okay, so at least the forever worked. Okay, back to forever. And if I clicked, yay! You did it! You're spinning a dragon. Now, all you need to do is to spin by itself is take out if, touching mouse pointer, all that stuff, and just turn 15 degrees. There you go. I'm not doing anything. My mouse is right here. And it's turning by itself. Now, isn't that cool? Stop! Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Okay, now let's say you want it to spin really slow. So we can change it to a lower number. Turn 1 degree. Slower. See? Now, let's change it to 30. Now 130. Not 130. Wow, that was fast. 30. Okay, let's change it to 500. That is really fast. Yeah, let's stop that. See where it'll stop. Stop! Aw, I wanted to get straight. So at 90 degrees is right. Like this. Try that. So this is a challenge for you. Try stopping it when it's spinning 20 degrees. Like this. Try stopping it when it's facing 90 degrees. So you can see it's facing 90 degrees right here, direction. And I think I want to stop it now. Didn't work. Now. Oh wait, not that. The stop sign. Stop. And now. No, it's a challenge. And let's see if you can get it. Aw. Now, if you didn't get it, try changing to 10. That might be a little slower. Oh wait, this. Aw. Oh, come on. No, almost. Almost. Well, it's a challenge for you. So let's see if we can do it. Okay, now that was pretty fun, wasn't it? You can save it now, saving project, and yay, you made a game. So let's keep that as a challenge, and let's see if you can do it. Now, wasn't that fun? So, hope you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you later. Stay tuned. Till then, bye-bye.